Hello everyone, welcome back to Train, where we make AI simple for you. My name is Ishan, I'll be your instructor for today. AI chatbots are everywhere. We've got ChatGPT, Google Bard, Perplexity AI, and now Grok AI. But this one isn't just another chatbot. It's Elon Musk's take on artificial intelligence, and if there's one thing we know about Musk, it's that he doesn't do things the conventional way. So what exactly is Grok AI? How is it different from other AI models? And is it really as edgy and rebellious as Musk claims? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Grok AI, exploring its features, strengths, and whether it's just hype or a game changer in AI. Grok AI is a conversational chatbot developed by xAI, a company founded by Elon Musk. Unlike other AI models that are backed by tech giants like OpenAI, Google, or Meta, Grok is being built as a direct competitor with a unique twist. It's designed to be more humorous, more unfiltered, and more willing to tackle controversial topics. The name Grok comes from Robert A. Heinlein's sci-fi novel, Stranger in a Strange Land, where it means to deeply and intuitively understand something. And that's exactly what Musk's team aims to create, an AI that doesn't just answer questions, but understands them on a deeper level. But what really sets Grok apart is its access to real-time data. Unlike most AI chatbots that rely on pre-trained models with limited updates, Grok is directly integrated with X, formerly Twitter, giving it up-to-date information in ways other models can't match. At its core, Grok AI operates like other large language models, using deep learning and vast amounts of text data to generate responses. However, what makes Grok different is its access to real-world, real-time information. Thanks to its connection with X, it can pull in the latest discussions, trending topics, and even the latest memes, making it one of the most dynamic AI chatbots available. Using Grok feels a lot like using ChatGPT, but with a more playful and sometimes sarcastic edge. Musk has positioned it as an AI with a sense of humor, something that doesn't shy away from making jokes or pushing boundaries. While other AI models often take a neutral, professional approach, Grok is designed to be more engaging and in some cases, more provocative. One of its key features is its ability to interact with breaking news. Because of its direct pipeline to X, Grok can provide responses that reflect latest headlines, opinions, and discussions happening in real time. That's a major advantage over traditional AI models, which often struggle with outdated information. One reason Grok AI is making waves is simply because it's connected to Elon Musk. Whenever Musk launches something new, the tech world pays attention. But beyond the hype, Grok AI represents an interesting shift in how AI models are being developed. Instead of focusing purely on neutrality and factual correctness, Grok leans into personality and engagement. Another reason people are excited about Grok is its potential for less restrictive conversations. Many AI models have strict content moderation in place to prevent controversial discussions. Musk, however, has been critical of excessive AI censorship, and Grok reflects that philosophy by being more open to a wider range of topics. This has sparked debate. Some see Grok as a much-needed alternative to AI models that feel overly controlled. Others worry that a less restricted AI could lead to misinformation or problematic content. Either way, Grok has positioned itself as the edgy AI, and that alone makes it stand out. Now, the big question, is Grok AI actually better than ChatGPT, Bard, or other AI assistants? It depends on what you're looking for. If you want an AI that provides fact-based, research-backed answers in a professional tone, tools like ChatGPT or Perplexity AI might still be a better fit. But if you're looking for an AI that feels more like an entertaining conversation partner, one that cracks jokes, references pop culture, and pulls from real-time internet discussions, then Grok AI could be a refreshing alternative. Performance-wise, Grok is still catching up to the giants. It's a newer model, and while it's still improving, it doesn't yet surpass ChatGPT 4 in terms of raw intelligence or deep analysis. However, its ability to interact with current events gives it an edge in some scenarios, particularly for those who want the latest news without relying on traditional search engines. Another factor to consider is accessibility. As of now, Grok AI is primarily available to X Premium subscribers, meaning you have to be a part of the X ecosystem to use it. That's a limitation compared to ChatGPT, which has free and paid options available to everyone. Despite being relatively new, Grok AI has a lot of potential. Its real-time access to online discussions makes it one of the most up-to-date AI models available. As XAI continues to develop and refine technology, we could see Grok evolve into a serious competitor in the AI space. But the real question is whether users will embrace it. Will people be drawn to its humor and unfiltered style, or will they stick to the more traditional AI models that already people know and trust? A lot will depend on how well XAI can improve Grok's accuracies, reliability, and overall user experience. So what do you think? Is Grok AI the future of chatbots, or is it just another overhyped Musk experiment? Have you tried it yet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest AI updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.